Summa Health is vital for first grade lesson plans,
Let's try. Are you feeling better?
I feel great.
a good day's work,
Here, Hope, have a little hay.
hip replacements in the AM, home in the PM,
You're like a whole new Mary.
We needed a whole new Mary.
improving lives, and saving lives,
All right, hold very still.
So good.
feeling beautiful,
Want to try something darker?
Yeah, let's see.
speaking the language,
आज चाहिँ जेनिफर भन्ने हुनुहुन्छ अरे यहाँ हैन उहाँ चाहिँ अब
The baby's heartbeat is in the 150s.
तपाईको बच्चाको धड्कन चाहिँ 150 को हाराहारीमा छ
great beginnings, and getting back in the game. Summa Health, vital for as many reasons as there are people.